Come on. Hey, we got Informed Totti! Yes! Woo! Informed Totti! Get in! Yeah! Yeah! Informed Totti, let's go! Informed Totti, let's go! Clap that ass! Come on! Yes! 53 pace. But look at them stats, man. They are insane! Yes! I wanted him. Come on, EA!
Not very good at twerking, but there you go. Twerking. And don't skip. I don't think it changed who you get. Neymar! Oh! Oh!
Close my eyes. I drank the tea. Who do I get? Who do I get? Come on. Come on. Please, Lord. Please. Please. Messi. Ronaldo. Inform Pogba! Isco! And Nani! Oh my god, this pack is the best! Oh my god. Inform Pogba, Nani, and Isco. What a pack. Guys, this...
He's good. That's a good pack. Oh, fuck! I am done! I'm done! Oh my god! No way! No way! Oh shit! Oh, there is a god! I got Informed Fabregas! Oh shit! Oh my god! I have opened less than 100k of packs. I've got Fabregas, Informed Fabregas, Hulk, some silver guy. I'm rich!
Please click anywhere on the video, but if you are on a mobile device, there is a link in the description that will take you to an awesome face-off video with Kobe Bryant and Lionel Messi.